Let's start to create this plastic bottle modeling in SolidWorks, and we will see how to create this uh, bottle, and we will see how to make this real view. Let's take a new exercise in SolidWorks and create this plastic bottle. All dimensions are in millimeter. Unspecified fillets are 2 mm. Follow helix and spiral table for upper body spiral cut, and diameter of curve is 5 mm. See, there are two types of spiral cuts: upper body and lower body. Upper body, uh, this spiral, this is the table given. You can follow this table and you will get this spiral cut. Then here one detail view of this upper thread. So let's start to create this body. We will create first body. Total length 290, upper diameter 930, lower diameter 80 millimeter. Okay. Then at center there is a gap 20, radius 15, and this height 102.5. Okay. We will create this one. Then these two radius R15, R30. Then these two corner radius 10, 10, and bottom also 10. Let me choose here front plane sketch. Let me activate line and draw one vertical line, horizontal line, bottom. Go back to the point and see this is going to convert into arc. Again go back to the point and see the line is going to convert into arc. Then go again straight. Okay. Now make sure these all points select tangent. Make this line construction line so that we will get idea. Let me apply dimensions 290. Now this one given 225. Okay. This radius 30. This one 15. Let me check either this is vertical. Okay, this is vertical. Let's again diameter 30. Similarly come down, diameter 80. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Okay, let me activate here 3-point arc. Let me first point, second point, and third point. Okay, smart dimension, center distance 20, radius 15. Okay, and distance from this point to here 102.5. Trim entity, power trim. Press and hold left mouse and drag, and see this is trim. Okay, look, go to feature. I want to make a circular body, so we have to activate revolve boss base feature. Now see, this due to this construction line, the profile is open profile. So system asks, would you like to close? Say yes. Look, by default system took this center line as an axis, and by default angle also apply 360, so that we will get a complete body. Simply say okay. See, fillet, constant type fillet, tangent propagation symmetry radius 10. Now here select the bottom edge and select this face. So you don't need to select two edges. In one face, two edges covered. Yes. See. Now this one we done. Let's make this upper spiral. See, this spiral going to start 10 millimeter from this edge. See, so we will create plane and create this one. Then we will see this dimension. Pitch 320, revolution 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Height of this pitch, revolution, not pitch, revolution 32.5, 65, 97, and diameter is different. See, start diameter 85, end diameter 85, and middle diameter 80. Okay, let's see how we will do this. And see, this spiral diameter given, see this section view 5 millimeter, and the corner radius 2, and total 10 number of spirals. Okay, let me activate plane Now select this upper edge, create plane. Now select this plane, again create one more plane and make this 10 millimeter and see arrow, flip offset, upside. Now select this plane. Now in this case, the outer diameter, how much given in table? 85. Starting diameter. So keep 85. Isometric view. Now go to helix and spiral. Okay. Now here choose pitch and revolution. Here choose variable pitch. Now this is the time. The first pitch 325. 0, 0. Second pitch 325. And revolution 0.1. And here see 32.5 came. Now this diameter 80. Here I am going to change diameter. Now let's third one 325. Revolution 0.2 and height see 65. This one, second one, third diameter 80. This is important, then only we will get this curve. The fourth one 325, height 0, pitch revolution 0.3, and this is by default you will see, and this diameter 85. Okay, these four number of things we need. Okay, let's see, just drag these all points where it is going to start. Reverse direction, angle let's say 180. Okay, see this is going to start from this point to here. So perfect. Keep this one. Okay, even it's not need to which plane. Let me hide this both plane. See, here one option swift cut. Here choose circular profile and see the curve diameter 5. Select here curve. Now see. Yes. Okay, let me do one thing. Apply some gloves plastic. Okay. Now let me hide this, select the curve, hide. See. Fillet, constant type, radius 2 millimeter, symmetric. Select edge. Now you will see the preview. Okay. Now let me try multiple pattern. So first let me draw here temporary axis. See this center axis you will see. Activate here circular profile. For direction choose temporary axis. See fillet here selected. Drop down and choose this sweep cut. 10 number of patterns, 360 equal space. So that gap between two spiral equal. Yes. Let me hide this temporary axis. See. Okay, this upper part done. Let's do this lower part. See, we will make one cutout, then make multiple pattern. There are 5 patterns. First pattern dimensions here given 7.5. See this this blue color is tangent to this face here, here. Then here once a diameter of this spiral cut 6, gap from center of diameter and outside the body 1.5, and this distance 7.5, 85.2. Let's see how we will do this. Let's say front plane, sketch, activate corner rectangle. Start one point, select this outer body other point and make it for construction. Select from here construction. Okay. Smart dimension. Now this dimension given 7.5. From here to bottom 82.5. Okay. Let's activate 3-point arc. First point at this end. Second point place somewhere here and place third point. Make tangent with this. First point, second point, third point, select this line so that is going to tangent. Then first point, second point, this end, third point, let's say connect with this line. Now let me select this line tangent, this point tangent. Okay. Now select all the curves equal. Let me do one thing. Tangent relation there, here also, here also. So let's select this all equal. Look, it is fully defined. Now I want to make a impression on this body. Go to feature, apply split line. I want to project this line on this circular face. Here select sketch and here select face. Which face you want to project? Select this face. Yes. Look. See. Now let me select front plane, sketch, activate circle, smart dimension, 6 millimeter, the gap between this and this endpoint, 1.5. Let's connect this point to this point and make it this line horizontal. See, this is fully defined sketch. Now go to exit, swift cut. Now here choose sketch profile. Sketch profile already there. Now select path. Okay, for path, it's not easy to select. Right click, selection manager. Now in selection manager, choose group. Select this one and you will see this arrow. Select this arrow. Now see whole path is selected. Here say yes. Look, by default. Close group. Oh, we done. Now let me activate fillet. 2 millimeter, select this edge, upper edge and lower edge. Okay. If you see the gap between two patterns, 16 millimeter radius corner. Now I'm going to activate linear pattern. Now in linear pattern, let's say activate temporary axis, choose axis. See, this is moving up, make it down, keep gap 16. Let me select proper view. See. And 5 number of patterns. Here fillet selected. Let me drop down and choose swift cut. Say yes. Oh, here we done. See. Let me hide temporary axis. Let's make a thread on upper side. Okay, bottom part we done. If you see inside diameter 28 means thickness 1 millimeter. Now see, this is the pitch. The gap, see, gap between two thread 4 means this is pitch. Height from top 5 millimeter and detail B. Detail B, okay, 3 millimeter this triangle dimension, corner radius 0.1, thickness 1. Okay. And let's see this end also we will do this. Now let me select plane, select this face, 5 millimeter and make it offset. Sketch plane 3, select this outer edge, convert entity. Go to spiral and helix, isometric. Now here choose pitch and revolution constant type, the pitch size 4, number of revolution 2. Let's see. Here choose start angle 0. Okay, see, this is going to start from here and from here, clockwise direction. Okay, now let me hide this. Now let me create right plane, sketch, polygon, keep here 3 number of instances. Draw one triangle. Okay. Okay, make this one vertical. Let's define one center point to connect this point. Dimension 3 millimeter. Okay. Fillet 0.5. Select this end. Okay, cancel. Now let me select this end point, center point of this line, midpoint of this line. Hold shift key, select this curve and choose here pierce. Look how this is going to emboss here. Let's see isometric view. Now let's go to apply swift boss base feature. Sketch profile. Profile already selected. Choose path. Path means this spiral body. If you select, you will see this preview. Yes. Let me hide this spiral. Click and hide. See. Now let's complete this one. Select this face. Sketch. I'm going to draw one center line. This dimension, I think not mentioned in drawing. Make it vertical. 8. And select this face, convert entity. Go to revolve boss base feature. Keep this line as an axis of revolution. 360-degree merge result. Now you will see here apply angle 120-degree only. See, this is moving wrong direction. So change direction. Yes. Look how the thread end part created. Similarly, let's do other side. Select this face, convert entity, activate construction line. Make it gap 8 millimeter. Apply revolve boss base 120-degree. Let's see which direction. This is also wrong direction. Reverse. Merge result. Okay. Look how thread we done. See. Now what else balance? The last the thing is, let's apply shell feature 1 millimeter. Select this upper portion because this is what I want to open. Other all will be closed. Show preview. Yes. Okay. Let me choose section view. Okay. See. Let's make multiple patterns. So go to direct editing, translate, select the body, make sure copy. Now direction. Let's say X 90 direction, reverse. Okay. Again, let me choose body. Select this body. Now this time direction Z direction 90. Make it reverse. Okay. Now why we choose 3? We will apply some color. Now plastic one body already applied. Let's say apply some glass. Let's drag color to this body. See. Let me choose. Okay, this looks perfect. Now other glass color thick blue. Okay. See, blue pink. See, this is how we did. Don't forget to share and like our video and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.